Are you tired of AI spitting out bland, useless content for your affiliate marketing, leaving you more frustrated than ever? Stop scrolling, because most affiliates miss one crucial step, and it's holding them back. You've probably jumped on the AI bandwagon, hoping it would be your secret weapon for affiliate success. But let's be real, you ask it to write a review or a social post, and you get something so generic it sounds like a robot wrote it. That's not your fault, and it's not RE's fault either. The real problem isn't the AI, it's what you're asking it. Imagine trying to bake a cake by just saying, "make cake," to a world-class chef. You'd end up with a mess, right? The same goes for AI. The power isn't in the tool itself, but in the precision of your instructions. I'm going to show you how to unlock RE's true potential for affiliate marketing by giving it the exact questions it needs. Think about it. Your audience isn't looking for another rehashed product description. They want authenticity, a relatable experience, and a clear reason why they should care. Most affiliates just prompt AI with, "write a review for product X." And what do they get? A list of features. Yawn. Your audience scrolls right past that. Here's where the game changes. You need to train your AI like it's your most dedicated, albeit digital, junior copywriter. You wouldn't just tell a human writer, "write something good." You'd give them the target audience, the pain points, the desired tone, and specific angles. You need to do the same for AI. Instead of just asking for a product review, you need to tell it, "act as an experienced copywriter specializing in direct response marketing. Write a persuasive social media post targeting busy parents who struggle with meal prep. Highlight how product X saves them 2 hours a day, using a friendly, slightly humorous tone. Include a call to action to click the link for a special discount, and address their common skepticism about quick fixes." See the difference? We're giving AI a persona, an audience, a pain point, a solution, a tone, a desired outcome, and even preempting objections. This isn't just about crafting a prompt, it's about crafting a narrative for the AI to follow. When you give AI this kind of context, it stops being a generic word generator and starts becoming your personalized, hyper-efficient content creator. It's the difference between asking for food and requesting a gluten-free, high-protein meal for post-workout recovery, ready in 15 minutes. The more specific you are, the more powerful the output becomes, allowing you to create truly engaging affiliate content that converts. So stop throwing vague commands at AI and start treating it like the powerful tool it truly is. By asking the right questions, you'll transform your affiliate marketing. Ready to see this in action and boost your affiliate commissions? Click here for the next video.